5 bagay na maaaring hindi na kayang ma-afford ng isang middle-class family in the next 5 years. Una na sa listahan ay ang housing. Masakit man, pero the reality is, ang presyo ng bahay ay patuloy na tumataas. With the rise of inflation and interest rates, owning a house could become a distant dream para sa maraming middle-class families. Kung nag-iisip kang bumili ng property soon, it's better to plan ahead and start saving for that down payment. Pangalawa, healthcare. Alam naman natin na dito sa Pilipinas, hindi biro ang presyo ng pagkakasakit. Pero tanggapin man natin o hindi, the reality is, healthcare costs are rising at a fast pace. Pati na rin yung mga insurance premiums. Kung mapapansin mo, meron ng mga HMO na nagtaas na ng premiums nila. Kaya marami na rin kumpanya dito sa Pilipinas ang nagtanggal ng HMOs nila. So paano pa pag dumating yung panahon na kailangan natin ng specialized treatments or surgery? And by the way, ang pagpapagamot ay hindi mo pwedeng ipagpaliban, hindi kagaya ng housing. Number 3 ay ang retirement. Maraming Pilipino, especially in the middle class, na hindi pa rin nakakapag-focus sa kanilang retirement plan. Imagine the cost of living is rising. And in the next 5 years, maaaring kailanganin mo na mag-extend ng working years para lang masuportahan ang basic needs mo. Tandaan na ang retirement is the longest holiday of your life. At mahihirapan kang magretiro comfortably kung wala kang retirement fund in place. Number 4, vacations. With the rising cost, middle-class families might find it difficult to spend on vacations in the future. The key is to adjust your expectations and your lifestyle. Number 5 is cars. Kung napapansin nyo, tumataas na yung presyo ng gasolina, ng maintenance, at insurance ng sasakyan. In the next 5 years, car ownership might be limited to the wealthy. If you are thinking of preparing for these 5 things, ang sagot, another source of income. If you're looking for a part-time job, full-time, basta may time, welcome ka sa team ko here in Sun Life. Kindly send me your CV at this email address.